Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to change the country in Dirt 5, whether it can be PC or PlayStation or Xbox. So just go to this garage. Under garage, right, you need to press this options button. So press this options button, you are going to profile, and here come to nationality and region. So tap it and you can choose your country as well. So just select it. Once you select it, you can see the green tick and then just go back. You can check the name also on the right side. This is country flags I'm choosing, and right side the country name. Okay, it is selected. That's it. Now going back, all set. Now you can race. That's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in my forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.